Welcome back, and today we are very excited. Well, I am, because me and my girlfriend just spent a bunch of money on this. It's the first, you can already see, it's a surprise. Techno Eclipse first unboxing. It's very exciting. It was a lot of money, but like I said, one of my next videos is going to be about how I buy and sell computers on the side to make money. I know I've mentioned it before, how I've made $350 on a computer, how I got a graphics card for free, but I want to break down exactly what I do, how I do it, and how I make like a couple $100 maybe each week just buying and selling computers, because you can do it. I've done it for almost a year now. I've been doing the same thing on and off. So we got an awesome unboxing today. It's going to be a little impromptu, whatever. So I will see you after the intro. I'm Scott with Techno Eclipse. So if you couldn't already tell from me ruining it, we bought a new camera. It's a DSLR. It's a D5500. It's very expensive, and it hurt every bone in my body buying it. I got this fancy knife to unbox it because that's what all the big time YouTubers do. And okay, so I don't really know how to do an unboxing. I guess I'm just gonna leave this to like the side, and then you'll just have to, I guess, I'll stand up. No, I'll sit down. So it was like a bundle, which was cool. So we saved like some money here. I didn't buy a used camera. Let me get the microphone closer. I didn't buy a used camera because I normally buy a lot of used stuff. This is the carrying case for it. I buy a lot of used stuff. Almost everything I buy is used. But with cameras specifically, I'm actually not that comfortable with buying anything used because I don't really know that much about cameras. We learned a lot from the guy at Micro Center. He helped us out a lot. It was awesome. But I don't know a lot about cameras, and I didn't want to buy something that I don't know a lot about used, because if something's wrong with it, I won't really know, because I've never had a camera better than a phone. So it was a really weird purchase to make, and to be honest, I didn't buy it for YouTube. I bought it, me and my girlfriend, we bought it so we could take some beautiful pictures outside. You know what I mean? We like to hike and stuff, so we figured, whoops, this might be our first swear word on this. It's not this, we're being recorded. But we wanted to we like to hike a lot, and we have a dog, so we wanted to take some nice pictures, and I figured, heck, I've been saving a lot of money with buying and selling computers that the cat is playing with the bubble wrap right now. I've been buying and selling a lot of computers that I'm going to, spend it on something I've been saving well, so I figure I'm going to buy an expensive item. So it's cool. It came with an extra lens. I believe this is a 55 to 200 millimeter lens. Originally it was $349. I think these go for on eBay like $150 now. That's really nice. And then the camera itself and an SD card, a 16 gigabyte SD card, extreme speed. So I have an SD card. We got it for free with my girlfriend's Note 8. It's like a 128 gigabyte one. It's like a Samsung one. I think it's good. Again, the cameras are a little, I don't know that much about cameras. So it was $700 for all this. It hurt to buy it, but we split it 50-50. So it's really only $350. So I don't know. I don't really know how to do an unboxing. I guess we'll like the papers and stuff. Looks like this is the other lens. I think this is a 10 to 55 millimeter lens. 18. It's an 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It'll be fun to play with. I have a lot to learn about this side of the tech, I guess, YouTube universe. I mean, I can't like really stress it enough. It wasn't really like a YouTube buy. I'm not gonna lie. It was more of something we've been wanting for a while, and I thought, heck, I could use it for YouTube. But I mean, I have 56 subscribers, so I'm not really looking to put a lot of money into this. I just do it for fun, honestly. So looks like you got a cable. I don't even know what that is. I don't think that's micro USB. I am not sure what that is. And then you got oh goodness. I think this might display to the TV. That's awesome. I haven't seen one of these in forever. The carrying thing to put around your shoulder to look like a pro. And then you have the actual body of the camera. And to be honest, we took the battery out already and charged it, so I retaped the box. So you know, it's a little bit of a lie. So here's the camera itself. I'm gonna be like super careful with this thing. Oh man, it's gorgeous. I already looked at this though, if we're being honest. Yeah, the D5500. I think the reason we went with it, this was $650, $700 after tax, but I'm not gonna say it's not $700 because I still have to pay the tax. So we were gonna go with the D5500 lens kit, and it had a similar lens, but that lens, the extra lens, and that lens was, I think it was a 55 to 300 millimeter. I could be wrong on that, but it didn't have, like, the guy was saying something about how it didn't have this, not autofocus, but it was like if you have shaky hands and you're zoomed all the way out and you have shaky hands, because I mean, if you think about it, if you're zoomed at something really far, if you move like half an inch, you're gonna move like a mile in the distance. So he was like, this has some sort of this lens, if you have shaky hands, it'll like stabilize it so you can actually take shots, which is awesome because we both have shaky hands, my girlfriend and I. So yeah, I mean, the battery's charging right now. I can't really turn this on or anything. I just wanted to show you guys this cool little unboxing. I don't know, it'll be fun. Yeah, my videos will look a little bit better, but it's not like, I mean, that's not really why we bought it. But it's a cool thing I figured I'd show you guys, because I don't know, it's a fun thing for me to buy. It's a lot of money. I don't really like buying anything new like this. I haven't bought anything that, this is actually the most expensive thing I've ever bought, brand new. So it's actually the most expensive thing I think I've ever bought in general, and especially brand new, because everything else I buy is just used, because I understand computers and stuff used. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll show you guys. I'll try to get some sample photos and videos after, and like throw it in this. But I'll probably put out like a little bit of a review on it. I'm not really a camera expert. Like I've said 100 times, I don't know a lot about them. I'm gonna be totally honest. There's no reason to lie and be like, oh yeah, I mean, the aperture and this thing is off the charts. Wow. So yeah, it's just a cool little addition to all the tech we have, and we've been saving money, so we bought it. I don't know. I don't think we needed to buy anything this nice, but it was just like a $50 price jump from the D340, the D3400, the D3400, and we were looking at the FZ300. But the guy sort of talked us into this one because he showed us like a chart of like I think it's the aperture, and he basically, or the sensor, and he goes, basically you can get a sensor that's like that big, or you could get a sensor that's like that, not exactly, but like 10 times as big. If you go with the FZ300, you can get a really small sensor, and he goes, if you want to take anything like at night, you're just not going to be able to take any great photos with that. You could zoom in really far because it's got like it goes all the way out to 600 millimeters, but we could pop these lenses off, buy a new one if we have to, if we really want to zoom out. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this type of unboxing video. It's not, I don't know, I'll try to have cleaned it up a little bit more, but that's not really how I do things. So let me know what you guys think about this camera. Have you guys bought a new camera? I don't know. What do you guys think about the purchase? Should I have bought something else? I know I could have bought something used, and I'm probably going to get told that in the comment section, because I do buy a lot of things used. I got some cool new videos planned. Here, I can show you. It's a little bit of a mess. So I bought a 2009 Mac Pro that I'm gonna sell. I bought that for $420 for both of those two things. That'll be about $800 worth of stuff. And then I don't know if you saw it down there. Whoops, camera fell. These are the dog toys. My girlfriend's a pack rat. And then I also bought today, this is a crazy day. I spent like $1,700 today. But I also bought a 2013 15-inch MacBook Pro for $600. It's a little problem with the trackpad. If you click on the bottom left, it doesn't register. So, but I mean, this thing's awesome. So we got a couple cool new videos coming out about this and that. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like if you like it, and if you don't like it, that's fine. But if you comment, I love seeing the comments. It's really fun. Some guy commented, I can't remember the username off the top of my head, but he goes, oh man, I really like this video. like, congrats, like, I'll be your 57th subscriber, and I don't know, it's just so cool to me that people would actually be interested in what I'm saying. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.